We're heading to Sylvan Lake today. Sylvan Lake in Alberta. It's very close to Red Deer. We got our new kayak, so we'll be unboxing today and showing you guys. Thank you. See you later. Okay, finally we are here in Sylvan Lake. So we are going to unbox our Aqua Marina right away for you guys. So, it was really easy getting with this wagon and getting over here. Okay, let's do it, guys. Okay, it's time to open our box and see what we have in our Aqua Marina. The first one I'm seeing here looks like it's a pump. We're gonna be needing this later to inflate our boat. And we will see what do we have more. Let's keep it aside. Next one I'm seeing here, pedal. So you'll be getting two pair of pedals, guys. And those are both sided, so those are really easy to install. And you'll get a barometer. And this is another pair of pedal. So now we have seat, so you'll be getting two pair of seats. We are almost there. This is our Aqua Marina in a bag. So let's open up. Let's see how it looks like. Wow, this is really long. It is 13.9 feet. And now we have 3 valves here. Make sure, guys, you keep it all the time. Without this valve, you will not be able to use your boat. Keep it safe always. And just put your 3 valves over there first. Tighten up. And then we will be inflating it. So make sure we do the best one first. And then you can do the right and left. I'm gonna be timing, so let's see how long it will take. So, the people are saying that it will take about 10 minutes. So let's see if we can inflate in 10 minutes. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be fast forwarding here and catching with you up later. Guys, it took about 9.5 minutes for me to inflate it. So now it looks like it's done. It's ready to go. The next one will be installing seats. I love the material. Great nylon material, nice stitching. Well done, Aqua Marina. This is great product. I'm installing the seats here. So this is the front seat and back seat. So we have 2 seats, but you can have 1 more seat, child seat in the middle. Okay, now let's do our paddles. So it's really easy setting up the paddles. So you just grab it, and it has 3 parts there. So you just need to assemble those parts together, and simply you can just clip in, and then there is a small lock, so you can just plug in the lock and just clicks like that. Okay, and so this is the other side. You can actually join both paddle and then it works perfectly. So just connect both now. There you go, good to go. Click, done. 1 paddle is ready, so we have 1 more paddle. So we can set up that. After you're done with the paddle, the fin you have to put it in. Just slide in, and there is a small lock. Once you slide in, then you're just putting that small lock there. Just press it down, and then there'll be small click you'll hear. Then that's locked. So just plug it in and you are good to go. So I'm suggesting you guys use life jackets for your safety, and then ready to go. Today I'm gonna be taking my wife with me for kayaking, so let's see how it feels, guys. See you later. guys. We had lots of fun today with our Orca Marina. So we went for about 1 hour kayaking today. It was great. It's a great investment. It cost for you about 750 bucks. You'll have lots of fun. So we started our summer today with this boat. So today's the first day of summer. So I wish you everyone happy summer. Thank you guys.